Alam mo, may tanong muna ako sa inyo. Kamusta naman ang paparating na finals nyo?
Eto po, humihimlay. Hindi na po carry. No more.
This is your last weekend as civilian.
Palapit na ang finals, pero that also means palapit na rin ang exciting part kasi may bago na naman tayo episode ng Streak, ang laro susubok sa inyong pagkatumasino. Hey guys, it is #1 and only Cody Wang at nagbabalik nga tayo sa paborito nyong show at may kasama tayo ngayon. Sino ba ang mga kasama natin?
Siyempre, the one and only Luis Echelar from the Department of Speech Language Pathology.
Get a streak of 5 correct answers and you may get a chance to win our prize for today, which is... Wait lang, nahirapan na kunin. Kulang pa nga ito eh. A 100 gift voucher from Pablo sa Korea. A 100 peso gift voucher from TQ. And of course, meron pang isang 50 peso gift voucher from Tipon. Okay, question number 1. In UST, what is the highest possible grade a student can receive? Nakuha niya na ba tong grade na to?
Of course.
Walang nakakarating sa itaas nang hindi muna nagsisimula sa ibaba.
Final answer, ano ang kasagutan natin?
A grade of 1?
That is correct! Question number 2. Kasi in this academic calendar, in the first term ends in the month of...
I believe that the term adjourns on the month of December.
Yeah! December is correct, Atisa Mana. Okay, for our third question, can you give me 3 common study spots around the UST? Ready na ang ating Miss Universe contestant? What is your answer?
I believe the top 3 tourist study spots in UST would be number 1, yung Benavides Library near the main building, and my personal favorite, ang aking home, the San Martin de Porres Library located at the 6th floor of this building, and lastly po, ang pinaka-accessible, the one and only, the gazebos around UST, preferably sa my field because change of scenery, you know.
So kayo may explanation pa yung mga kasagot niya, kaya tama na yan. And number 4, nako, alam niyo na to. Which place usually gets crowded tuwing finals week?
I believe na naman, of course, sa library dahil andun rin ako mamaya. So,
don't feel any pressure right now.
Confident. Papatunayan niya ang unong nakuha niya. Kaya, library is correct! Woo! Umpisahan muna natin ang ating Streak Fast Talk to end this episode of Streak. Okay, ready? Fast Talk. Number 1, cramming or reviewing early?
Cramming!
Since you are in final season.
Puyat!
All-nighter or power nap?
All-nighter!
Studying alone or group study?
Group study!
Hey! Printed reviewer or digital reviewer?
Wala na akong pera eh. Digital.
Dapitan or Noval?
Dapitan.
Name 1 building in UST.
San Martin de Porres.
What is the official mascot of UST?
Tiger.
Espanya or Lacson?
Espanya.
At bakit ikaw ang winner natin for today's episode of Streak?
Because why not?
On this route of Buko, why not? Kaya nga, deserve nyo ang mga prizes nyo at kayo ang winners natin for today's episode of Streak. Ayan. Hala siya. Masyado naging excited. At sana maging breather natin ang episode na to ng Streak. Ang laro susubok sa inyong pagkatumasino. See you next week! Woo!